G'day, how you going? Alrighty, got another five packs. Topps Archive, the 1954. What's it out? What box it's out of? It's out of the oh, I don't know, I forget. It's there somewhere. So I've got 5 packs of this to open up. Hope you're all well. Hope you had a good Christmas. Christmas is not always easy for some people. I don't normally like Christmas. Alrighty, let's see what we get. Still learning the cards, still learning the packs. Ray Boone. Oh, got another one behind him. Dusty Rhodes. So like normal, all the hits out of these that I don't pick up as I'm opening them, I'll add them in the list. Charlie Bishop, Roy Sievers, Gil McDougald, John Riddle, Murray Wall, Vern Benson, Andy Semenick, Paul Apartme. Yeah, these are sticking together, so each card's pretty much stuck together. Hank Thompson and Gus Bell. No one that I know out of that lot. I'm going to do some quick videos of my favourite cards from the cards I've pulled in 2024. So 5 cards that I like in different genres. Okay. What's going on here? Del Crandell, Ali Reynolds, Les Westrom, Joe Rossi, Turk Laum, John O'Brien, Connie Marrero, Viking Phillies, Kurt Simmons, Johnny Groth, Luke Easter, and Clyde Wilmer. Nothing sticking out to me. Nothing like I don't. You know, I try to do more research each time. Alrighty. At least we'll try to get some. Oh my God, what's going on? Come on, seriously. Pee Wee Reese. Morris Martin. Harry Lowry. Forrest Main. Billy Pearce. Cole Drews. The Fighting Billies. Willie Mays. Willie Mays, I think that's something. I think. Tommy Byrne. Bobo Newsom. Les Peden. Bob Boyd. loose later. 2 packs left. I'll put all these cards that I collect out of this box into a folder, into a binder, and see what we got at the end of it. Alrighty. Bill Antonello. Okay, so the way I do it: Jim Hughes, Jim Hearn, Danny O'Connell, Jim Pendleton, Viking Phillies, Connie Ryan, Charlie Silvera, Early Win, Earl Harris, Bob Feller, Cole Sheeb, and Cole Sawatsky. So it'd be interesting to see who I haven't picked, you know, who I don't know, and who are, you know, I would say it's got a bit of ding in the corner. So out of the cards, who I haven't picked, and you know, who I don't know who's who type of thing, and who actually is a bit of a legend in the game. When I go through the list here, yeah, these ones are a bit more stuck together. Willard Schmidt, Dick Williams, the Dodgers. George Crow, Eddie Stanky, Sibby Sisti, Les Busselman, Billy Hitchcock, Wes Westrom, Ned Garver, Paul Richards, Jerry Pretty, and last but not least, Jackie Jensen. Well, that's it. That's what we got. Yes, the only one I think is anything is Willie Mays. So we'll see how we go. Yeah. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you're collecting, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.